Alright, hey, what's up out there? Traders, it is DayTraderRockStar here for watch list for Friday, January 11th. Today we had a great day, caught a good trade in Countrywide Financial, caught some good Bernanke news and stuff. I have the chart up on the S&P 500 here just to show you how the statistics were working out here. Beautiful, you know, just unbelievable working out as we came down, we spiked up, especially just seeing the oversold indicator. Anytime you get above that 20 area, we start to spread out. You can see actually the market starting to show some good strength here. And again, the opposite, get a little pullback. But then right around the 2 o'clock area, we're back in oversold, and boom, they came out with some pretty interesting news on the Countrywide Financial. It's almost like it was set up because they almost set it up. It's Wall Street Journal releases it right when certain indicators are setting up perfectly. First, you're at the, right after 2 o'clock area, between the 2 and 2:30 area, the 2:20 reversal area. This news comes out again. The statistics are oversold. Everything's saying that we're in a perfect opportunity for something to really get this market rallying. And a goon. Is it coincidence they come out with this type of news? I don't know. I don't know. But let's move on from that. This market plays some funny things. Go through a great list for you today. Might actually take two parts of the list. Starting off with FSLR on the watch list. Let's go to the daily chart here. What I'm liking about FSLR, and I actually don't have my right indicators up here. I wish I had the. I should have actually worked a little harder on this. Parameters here, moving average apply, and well, actually you can see the 50-day moving average here right on the first solar. Statistics is getting oversold. This is one of the, someone was asking me, how do I find the stocks that I want to trade? One of them is looking for weakness, looking for strength above certain moving averages. If the stock is still trading above the 50-day moving average in a market like this, it's showing some type of good strength. If we're still trading above the 50-day moving average or around it, and we're getting down oversold in the statistics, I like to usually get a nice combination of a bounce off of this. So I'm going to be watching FSLR. Again, I like this one a lot. I'm going to be watching it because the last 2 days are setting up as a nice reversal day here. Let's see, today was the 10th, and we have actually a 2-day top here. So I'll be looking for a break above this level right here, which is actually about 234.66. So watch for a move above 234.66 to bring in some strength on FSLR. Again, that's because it's a 2-day top, and we're getting some areas there, and we have a nice bar above that. We're oversold in statistics. I'm starting to like this one. Best of breed on the stock in the solar area. Google, as you see, we had some nice support here at this level. Statistics still oversold, but we're it's kind of a weird area here because I'm gonna be. Let me show you the moving average number 3 here, and put that moving average up here really fast to 200. Apply that, and I'll set that as a default too. Okay, you see the 200 moving average down here, and this is where I'm kind of a little scared that we might get down to this level. If we break through this support here, this bar right here, we break down through that, we could get down to the 610 area. This one's going to be, I'm going to watch it, but what's good about it is on the 15, 30-minute, 60-minute chart, all these charts right here, we're starting to see a little pattern here, and we're seeing an inverted head and shoulders here. So I'm going to start looking for a break of this level here. We got a shoulder level there, we got a shoulder here, and we got a head here, and these are starting to get my head's a retarded head because I had too many margaritas. But anyway, you see the neckline here, and this is definitely going to be a buy if a break of this neckline. So I would definitely put on your watch list a buy above 657. 657 would be a buy above Google here, 657. So definitely watch that one. That looks great. The next one on my watch list, I don't know what the news was that caused this one to get crushed, but it did get crushed. Making an inverted head and shoulders now for the last 2 days. $9 from $18. It's almost like it went through a freaking split or something. I mean, that's what it looked like. I'm not sure. But did they split? InfoSpace split here? I don't know. I had to look more into this one. I just noticed that it did get it got nailed pretty hard. I don't know if it is a split or what the hell is going on. I'm going to have to look into it. I just want to bring it to your attention. Let's move on. Apple Macworld started on Monday. If we're going to get any move on this one, look for it tomorrow. A break above today's high should bring some more strength, and look for rumors to start this one off. Again, we have some good resistance right at this level. And if we look at the 15-minute chart, we'll go back into yesterday. You'll see this carries on pretty close to yesterday's high also, which is right about here. So 2-day high, look for a break above 181 to get this one really starting and cooking. It should be an interesting play. Either way, JetBlue, the next one on the list. I'm liking JetBlue here. We did have a nice move up in it. On the daily chart, we're super oversold. I kind of like this shadow here on the bar, this Japanese candlestick here. I'm going to like to see a break above the close of today, and that's going to show me some bullishness. So, looking for a move. Actually, let's take a look at that chart again. I'm just looking for a higher high on the 5-minute chart. So if we get above 510, I'm looking to go long or add to my JetBlue. I do like JetBlue at this level, and I think that JetBlue and some of the airlines are going to be, they're going to be consolidated. And just like a lot of the other stocks, E-Trade, Countrywide Financial, this is another stock that's way grossly oversold. That something's going to come out. Remember, a couple of weeks ago. What day was it? On December. You see that move up to $9. Well, that was because someone took a 10, 15, 20% stake in the company at like $7. Well, now it's almost trading at half that. So I wouldn't be surprised for these people to come in and take a bigger stake in this one to jump right back up to that, $6 level. So we like JetBlue here a lot. Continuing on to VMC. This one I really like for a trade. This is a new one I usually don't. I used to trade it a lot, but right now I think it's really oversold at this level. I like the 2-day chart in it. 15-minute chart looks really good, so I'm calling for a buy above the break of today's high, which is actually yesterday's high, which would be about 68.40. So that one's definitely a buy, about 68.50. I would definitely look into this one, and this one's probably going to be one of my best bets tomorrow if we get a move above that level. Again, I stress that you have to wait, depending on how the market conditions are, you have to wait for these triggers to be caught. You could jump the gun and try to get in, but unless, if you do decide that, it's more of a gambling move than a technical move. So, what I am seeing some weakness is the agriculture stocks. I am looking for a bearish move down in like Terra Nitrogen, Mosaic, a lot of the fertilizer stocks. I'm not liking these. I think the stochastic is starting to turn over here, and we have some downward pressure starting to come in on this one. And one last stock for today, seed. I just want to bring it to your attention. We're starting to make a nice little pattern here. We'll take a look at the 60-minute chart here. You can just see the consolidation. There's a nice little trend here, a little triangle pattern, and just watch for the break either way of this one for a trade. So keep this one on your watch list also. I'm going to try to get a educational video out tonight. Definitely check the site at www.DayTraderRadio.com for all my educational videos. I'm going to start posting them there instead of on YouTube, and I'm actually going to start posting most of the watch lists on YouTube that I usually do on YouTube. I'm going to try posting them mostly on or special videos on the site just to get more attention to the site there. So. This is DayTraderRockStar. I had hope you had a great day today. I hope you have a great day tomorrow, Friday. Be with you tomorrow. Rise and shine. 8:15, 8 o'clock. We'll see what time we get up, and it's going to be a great day tomorrow. Either way, money is to be made in the market. Just stick to your rules. Discipline, patience, money management. Cut your losses. Let your profits make you money, and cut your take your profits off the table whenever you have money, and you can't go wrong there. So. Hope you're enjoying these videos. Any feedback or comments are always appreciated. And definitely check out the site, www.daytraderradio.com. It's getting very popular. All right, that's it for tonight, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.